So this is the game that I created. I called it Monster Run. And at first, when you start to run, when you click run, it asks for your name. So input the name. And it gives you a little summarization of what the game's about. So basically, there's a monster and it wiped out the human race of Toronto. And you, as the user, have to go through three houses, and each house has a chest. And then in the chest, there will be one stick of dynamite in one of the three chests. And you have to guess the password to unlock each chest. And the dynamite's the only thing that could destroy the monster. So once you get the dynamite, you could fight the monster. And then the nextly, it asks, "Are you ready?" And then the only answer you could click is one. So let's say you click two, invalid, or words invalid. So one, yes. Then we'll say good luck to the user. So I imported the user function into good luck. And then choose your weapon. Once again, if you click anything that's not like valid, then it will show invalid. So let's say click one, and then weapon of choice is gun. And you're in the main switchboard. Once again, if you anything that's not what it should be, it will show invalid. So let's say house number one. So in house number one, it will show your health. You have 3 hearts. And then pick up key. Let's say you click that, invalid, or 33 invalid. Pick up key 1. Then here it shows a hint for the password of the chest. And 4 words. This password is code, so CODE. And then it shows this chest is empty. So now let's go to house 2. Pick up the key again. Then guess this password, which is word. So this chest is also empty, and now it has to be house number 3. So pick up the key, and then guess the password to the chest, which is look. And it says, "You found the stick of dynamite. Are you ready to fight the monster?" So click yes. Shows the monster's health, and then your health. What is your next move? Let's say throw dynamite 1. You threw the dynamite at the monster. What is your next move? Let's say throw dynamite again. The monster is dead. Monster is defeated. You win. So that's how to get to the end of the game. But let's just run it back. Michael, are you ready? Yes. Weapon, house number 3. Pick up. Let's say you get something wrong. It will show the password was that. It will show your health, and then it would say you have been revived. So that's for every house too. So let's say I guess a wrong password for this one. You have been revived, and then it brings back to the main switchboard and then loops back until you win basically. But in house number 3, pick up, put in the password, and then are you ready to fight the monster? Yes. What is your next move? Let's say hide. It'll show you die too, because that's a wrong move. And then run it back. Michael, one, house number 3, pick up. That's the password. Ready to fight the monster? Yes. Throw the stick of dynamite, and then this is the last move that you can make. So if you make the wrong move here, you die. So let's say block. Monster killed you. Health 0. Game over. So that's a quick run through of my game, and yeah, it's basically just guessing the password to each house, to each chest that's in the house, and then finding the stick of dynamite and then fighting the monster. Then I created some tests, which is I tested for the get name function, which will weapon function, and ready function. So all these tests work. We pass. And yeah, that's a run through of the game.